Hey there, Leos. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for November 1st to the 15th. So, if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at an outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Alright? And while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. So it may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? Alright, so let's begin. First, I'll be looking at the current energies for Leos. What's going on with you currently, Leos? What's going on with you, Leos, currently? Knight of Swords. The High Priestess. Page of Cups. Seven of Wands. Okay. There's some resistance going on over here. Like either you have something in mind and you're fighting that idea, or there is a particular thing that you're trying to fight. Your mind is acting a little impulsively at this point. Now, there could be a number of reasons for that. I'm not getting into that part of it, but I can see that somewhere, yes, you have something in your head and you want to do it. Okay, you want to do it, but there is resistance also. Now, this resistance could be from someone else, or either you feel trapped on your own. But definitely, there is something in your mind which you really want to do and you're not doing it. Okay, that's the current energy that I pick up. Like, I mean, somewhere it's like an idea, an inspiration. Somewhere this thing, okay, people could be telling you that no, this is very impulsive, so don't act impulsively. But I do feel somewhere that yes, this is an inspiration of sorts which has been triggered. But the thing is that, you got to be, you just either you are resisting it or some womanly figure is resisting it. Now, I don't know what that is. So let's see. What can you expect in the coming 15 days if this resonated with you? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Temperance, Page of Swords, Four of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. Relax. I think you're thinking a lot about this whole idea. You're thinking a lot, I can see that. You're being asked to relax. Relax because this thing is a very divine thing. So when you're supposed to accept it, there is not going to be any second thoughts about it. You will be very sure, you will be very confident. So I am seeing there is a right time that will come probably after 12th of November is the date that I'm picking up. After 12th or 14th, you will see a very balanced phase where you will be able to do this, or where you will be able to, work on your dreams. And actually, right now, what you're going through is a phase of understanding this whole situation, basically understanding the crux of a situation. You right now do not know whether you should go for it or not, because right now there are things that are not very clear in your mind, or they're not very much in front of you. So maybe that's the reason why the confusion is there in your mind. Okay? So relax. As I said, what I see, I mean, at least for the next 10 days, I still see the confusion. But I see post 12th of November, things will become a little clear for you. Now, let's see what is the advice for you here. Slow and steady, like what I told you. Keep going slow. I think post 23rd, things will become much better. And as I said, that after 12 days, your pace will increase a bit. So for the next 12 days, things are not going to be the way you want it to be. It is going to be slow. It's not going to be very fast for you. So you have to kind of relax a bit, take it easy, and let it go. Let it go the way it is going, and not really interfere with the flow of the universe at this point. That's what I'm picking up over here. So, yeah. All right, Leos. So, I think that's what I have for you. You will get to that point of knowing that this is exactly what you want to do. So, relax. All right. Okay, so that's what I have for your reading. I hope this reading helps you, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me and let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. Also, guys, if you want daily tarot energy check-ins, so I have an Instagram page. The links are there in the description box below, so you can check it out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more readings. Bye bye.